PBA delayed egress bar. Used with electromagnetic locks. Depress the bar and alarm sounds. Door unlocks after 15 or 30-second exit delay. It restricts unauthorized egress and notifies the security center. Security personnel immediately respond to emergencies. After reset, the device returns to normal operation. Authorized personnel are allowed access through access control system. Emergency release input is triggered. Door is unlocked to allow the personnel to exit. After reset, the device returns to normal operation.